everyone, it's Natalie with DesignToTheNines.com, and this year I'm doing Thanksgiving different. I recently moved to Florida, so I thought what a better way to spend Thanksgiving than by the poolside. So my table is set, so stay tuned and I'll show you all the details. I decided I was going to take advantage of this beautiful weather that I've been fortunate to experience and do Thanksgiving poolside. So let's get started setting the table. Okay, so for one of the goals of my tablescape, I want to add texture. It's going to be all about texture. So one of the ways I'm doing this is through layers. So I've got my white tablecloth on already. Now I have just simply taken some wrapping paper and run it across, and now I'm going to add another layer. Okay, so I've got a burlap runner that I've just notched out like this, and this is going to add yet another layer of texture. Okay, so I just wanted to show you quickly how I was going to do that deep notched out effect on the edge of this. So we are gonna fold this in half, and then we are going to make a triangle, and that's gonna be our V. And then we are simply going to cut down this, and voila, we have a deep notch. Okay, so for yet another layer of texture, I'm going to add the chargers that we did in our last tutorial. Now the plates. Okay, so next we have the utensil holder. It's one of the first of several printables that I'll be offering on my website, DesignToTheNines.com. This is going onto the table next, and it will add yet more texture. Okay, so this is shaping up to be a really cute table so far. I'm really excited about it. So next up is my next printable that I'll be offering on my website, and it says, "Today I'm thankful for," and the idea behind this is that you can write something that you're grateful for on the back, and then I have another big printable of a tree and with empty branches that everybody can just write something that they're grateful for, tape it to the tree, which I'll show you later, and it's a gratitude tree. So, and then I'm going to be pairing it with a white pumpkin that I got from Target. So okay, so now it's time to set our floral arrangement and some greenery and the finishing touches. This is looking good. Here is my beautiful Thanksgiving table. You can see the white tablecloth and the striped wrapping paper that I got at Michael's, and then the burlap runner that I got at Walmart, my everyday white plates. You could use china for sure. And the chargers, the chalkboard chargers that I made, as well as the printables, the Thanksgiving printables to hold the utensils and napkins, as well as our Today I'm Thankful For. And I will tell you about that in just a second. But I am just thrilled with this. Okay. So this is the pool. Unfortunately, this year we've got a little bit of construction going on, but it won't be going on Thanksgiving Day, so. Okay, so this is my blessing tree, or gratitude tree, I guess you could say. And I'm very excited about this printable. It's going to be available at my website. And The idea of it is that each person will get this on their plate. It says, today I'm thankful for, and they get to put something on the back that they're grateful for, or in the front, wherever they'd like, and then put it on the gratitude tree. So while I'm at it, I just wanted to tell you what I'm grateful for. And I'm grateful for my family and good friends. And I'm also very grateful for you and your support. So I'm gonna put that on my gratitude tree as well. Okay, so here's the Happy Thanksgiving banner that will be available on designtotheNines.com. And there you have it, my take on a poolside Thanksgiving dinner. I hope that it gave you some inspiration for your own Thanksgiving table. All of the items here are less than $50. Most of them I can reuse other areas or again next year, so it was very affordable. And for more great tutorials, make sure you subscribe to my channel below, make sure you follow me on all the major social media websites, and make sure you check out Design to the Nines for those free Thanksgiving printables. And if you would like down below to tell me something you're grateful for, I'll go ahead and stick it up on my gratitude tree. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy Thanksgiving. So for more great tutorials, make sure you subscribe to this channel below. Say that. Oh my gosh. Ah. I think I'm just tired. I don't know. My kids are laughing their heads off at me. Gotta love being a mom.